¿Cuál es tu nombre y el nombre que hace tu business, tu compañía?
My name is Jared Delgado. I am working for the Tailor My Grill. So it is a company that do outdoor kitchen. So
Nice.
I don't know
That's,
what I
that's
don't
it.
know. ¿Qué más tengo que hacer?
That's it. That's
Okay.
it. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. That's
Okay.
it. Okay.
What did you learn today that you can apply?
I learned a lot of stuff. How to create more leads with the easiest way.
Nice. Perfect. In your own words, what was your biggest takeaway?
My biggest what?
Takeaway,
¿Qué valor
value.
sacaste? ¿Qué valor sacaste?
¿Qué valores?
¿Qué valor sacaste? ¿Qué cosa buena, positiva sacaste?
I believe I gain a lot of good stuff from here. So that's like something that goes inside my mind that is a lot of knowledge that expand. So I don't know how to describe that, but
Perfect.
expand my mind. So how big is this world? How much I can gain? How much I can make to my pocket and my family?
That's awesome. That's awesome. And do you think that other people should come to the workshop?
Yes, yes. I almost say hell yeah. I'm so sorry, but yes, yes. I believe that. Yeah.
Beautiful. And what did you think of the speaker?
The speaker, he was really like he was like awesome because he explained everything like really easy and speaker combination with the all the slide, everything was really awesome.
Thank you very much.
My
Beautiful.
pleasure.